No, see, the work is already full of errors. I just need to
Hi, you guys. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe and hit those notifications if you never want to miss a video. So this is Sonic Dash 2, Sonic Boom. We're gonna play this game a couple of times. Let's get our gifts. Open this. Oh, we got the daily reward. Good index. Ooh, I got to level 4. Okay, then I got the match over here. But then let's press run. Whew. Well. If you guys don't know how to play this game, then just do whatever. When you get the game, it'll teach you how to play.
No, I know. 6 months studying ancient petroglyphs.
Just to tell you, if you need help.
I can't believe it. That's me.
Adoy, you look so happy and sane.
I was, but I never took that trip. I met Simon the next day.
Okay.
He was just so amazing.
Now, if you have 2 of these characters, it's hard to pick one, but I like Amy more because I'm a girl.
Psychiatrist or a life coach or even know what you're talking about, but maybe you should try focusing on yourself a little more, you know?
Can I though? I spent so much time dedicated to Simon, I'm not sure there's even any me left.
Oh my god.
Good point, future Betty.
So there we
It
go.
is too late to save you, but with your power
Okay,
and mine,
there we
you want to be
go,
right?
there we
Maybe the 2
go,
of us
there we
could
go,
save Simon
there we go,
together.
there we
Think about it.
go.
Oh, come on, Betty, get it together. Even if you are lost cause, she,
Whoa,
whoever she
got it.
represents, is not.
Or am I? No, Finn's right.
Yep.
You'll thank me for this later, past Betty.
Yo, 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 yo,
And don't
yo,
forget to
yo,
my
yo.
plans. Okay, gotta go. My flight leaves in an hour.
Dang it.
Good job, Betty.
Thanks, Finn. Sorry I couldn't be more help. I was a little preoccupied.
Oh, really? Anyway, where's the space thingy? Space thingy, space thingy.
Okay.
Space buddy?
Whoa.
Hey, everybody.
There
Hey,
we
long time no see, brother.
go. Big back to Amy.
Hey, what's with the hair, brother? Man, you're lucky you missed it. I had lice crazy bad. I think
Okay.
I got them from Marceline, who got them from Ice King. Nice. Anyway, how'd you even get
Good
here?
God.
Beats me. I was just eating a sausage on some stupid planet. Then
There we
all
go.
of a sudden there was a beautiful rainbow explosion. A loud
I'm so
noise.
glad
Sort of like
that
a
I'm good
space
at this
telemetry
game.
capsule
Because
activated.
this is a hard game to play. Whoa, whoa. When you get this good. I died, you guys.
Congratulations, everybody.
That was
Who's ready
hard.
for a nice boiled egg? Me.
Whoa.
Wait a minute. What even happened in there?
Oh.
Where's the telemetry capsule?
Don't you see, Jermaine?
Okay,
You were
there we
inside
go.
the capsule.
Oh, an ad. Hold on, you
Valuable
guys.
lessons will you-
Okay, we're back. Sorry. Press next. Ooh, claim prize and claim
Like,
prize.
did you see Finn in there? He was
There we go.
indomitable.
Yeah, I guess, but
So as I stared into that
There we
endless white
go.
void, I came
Then we can press those because we really want to
for
put one on
me
my
to
team.
save my Simon,
Use this one.
to finally pull
I do have
marbles
another
back
slot. You
from
have to
the
have
maw
8
of
to
home.
buy another slot. Then 8 to buy another one too. No, I don't want to sell for 500. Okay. Now if you press the plus button, it takes you to all the people. And you can unlock more. My favorite person is Tails. Or we can unlock Shadow too. More characters are coming soon. I don't know how, but I got this guy somehow in there. So yeah, I do that now. But yeah. Upgrade, of course. Oh, I can't. Okay. Merge team, you say? Oh, that's the same thing. 1, 2, and 3. Here's all the status. High score. I'm at 14.
We solved the mystery of the Hunt office. It was clocked there the whole time.
What's the thing that other people have?
Jake's around here somewhere. Man, it's crazy to think it was one here. This alley. Up right on the dad's head for some reason.
Zonia, that's one of my favorites.
You scared me there. What with the appearing out of thin air and staring at me all creepy and there you're just reaching towards me.
Take it, can't use one of those characters.
Son, I ain't nobody's son but Joshua and Mark.
Whoa.
It is weird that you got exactly
Son. Okay.
It's not weird. It's fake.
Press. Oh. If we press here, then you could do this. But I don't want to right now. Press events and it'll show you all the events that come. I also like Roblox, Minecraft, Sonic. I like a lot of games. So put your favorite game in the comments down below, please, so I know what game we could do next. We'll run one more time and then it's going to be the end for today. And oh, I got out. Whoa. Whoa. Whew. Okay. So go back to that. Run. One last time. Oh. Hi, Poopy Robotnik. Alright. Bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. 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 Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. That's so easy. Bam, bam. Bam. Dang it. Bam, bam. Okay, perfect. No, 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 no. Boom. Bam, 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 bang, ma, bam, ma, bama, 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 bama. Wow, the guy. Yes, you see how lit that was? That's lit. So lit, so lit, so lit, so lit. Oh, dang it. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you a day. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications if you never want to miss a video. Bye.